In this video, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about PayPal, as well as why it is so important when you're ordering coupons through CopyCat couponing to have PayPal. PayPal is a wonderful resource that is out there for you to be able to send your money or funds to merchants, family, and friends without giving them all of your personal information. As you know, it links to your bank account, either your savings or your checking, and it can also link to debit and credit cards. The 5 reasons that people are more likely to use PayPal is number 1, the safety. It is very, very safe. As I said before, you have tons of security and tons of measures that have to be gone through in order for people to receive your money. They want to make sure that you're not just giving your money away to someone that you're not going to receive a product from. Number 2, PayPal is worldwide. They are in over 500 countries all across the globe. So it is very, very easy to send money wherever you need it to go and still have that protection. Number 3, it is safe, simple, and convenient. Very convenient. You can do it from your phone, you can do it from your computer, you can do it from your tablet. It's as simple as pressing a button. And number 4, it makes it easily accessible. As soon as you send your funds, the person that you are sending it to will receive those funds in a timely fashion. That is the most important thing, especially when you're dealing with coupons. You want to make sure that people are getting the money to you as quickly as possible so that we can pay our suppliers. And number 5, PayPal is able to offer 24/7 support online as well as on the phone. So if there's any hiccups or anything of that nature and you're not sure what to do, PayPal is always going to be there for you. They're able to answer any questions that you might have. They're able to reverse any type of transactions that might have gone wrong. And they're very, very helpful in their customer service. So using PayPal is very, very simple and it's free. As couponers, we know we look for those sales and we look for things that are free. So the first step that you do, you log into www.paypal.com. There, it will ask you to set up an account and you will create a login and a username as well as an email address. It is very important that you have an email address because all of your receipts will go to your email. So make sure you have an email set up. Make sure you use the correct first and last name. Step 2. After you have signed in with your email address and the password that you created, you link your debit or credit card or your checking information, or you can do all 3. That is the great thing about PayPal. It gives you the option to choose which one is going to be better for you. They make sure that they store your information in a secure location. You do not have to have any type of balance in your PayPal account. If you need to make a purchase, they will automatically read the information that you have linked from your debit, credit, or bank account information, and they will draft the money out for you. So it's not like you have to put any money in an account or anything like that with PayPal. They automatically take it out every single time. After you have everything linked together and set up and ready to go, you are able to make purchases, which is the fun part. As you know, Monique posts whenever the coupons are going to be ready on her site, as well as the coupons, the preview for us to see what coupons we're going to be getting for that week. Once you've let her know how many sets you would like, you're able to log into your PayPal and you'll come to your login screen. From a cellular device, you will have the option to send or receive money. You will hit send money. Then you will enter Monique's email address, which is moniquewarren320@gmail.com. Once you've put in that information, you'll click her name and you'll put in the amount. Whatever the amount is and however many inserts, that's going to determine how much you're going to send to her. So for example, if we have a 4-set insert, that's $2 a piece. Let's say I wanted to purchase 3 of those. 2 times 3 is going to be 6, so I will send Monique $6. I will type in 600 and then I will hit the next button. Once I hit the next button, I'm able to review and send. There, it will also have a listing of all of the accounts that I have linked to my PayPal. So if I want to take it out of my debit card, I can. If I want to take it exactly from my bank account, I can do that as well. And then it'll send you a confirmation once that is done, once you hit the send button. Monique will also receive a confirmation, and she will write in a sign that you've paid that amount. Now, one very, very important step is to assign it as family and friends. We want to make sure that we don't send it as goods and services. When we send it as family and friends, there is a little fee that is applied to it. It's about 23 cents, but that allows you to send it to her. If you do not send it as family and friends, it will be refunded to you, and you will have to pay the price of the refund because it actually charges Monique if you don't send it as family and friends and you choose to send it as goods and services. That is super, super important. We know that Monique works really, really hard for us and for our coupons, so we want to make sure that we're not charging her any extra money when we don't have to. As I said, the fee is very, very small. It's pennies on a dollar. And if I'm not mistaken, if you send it from your checking or savings account, it will not charge you a fee. However, you know, when we swipe those cards, there's always some type of fee that comes along with it. But it also gives you the availability and the flexibility to pay with a credit card if you need to, if you do not have cash on hand. So that's basically everything that you do. Hopefully this information helps you out, and if you have any questions, make sure you comment those questions below. I would love to give you more insight on why it's so important that we use PayPal. Hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe on 20 Curls and Pearls. Enjoy. Happy couponing.